सो हम आ गए हैं कर्नावती यूनिवर्सिटी पे, जो कि है अहमदाबाद, गुजरात में। और इनका जो लॉ स्कूल है, विच इज़ द यूनाइटेड वर्ल्ड स्कूल ऑफ लॉ, इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 2014। और ये इंडिया की किसी भी टॉप लॉ कॉलेज के इक्विवेलेंट क्यों है। चला मैं तुझे दिखाती हूँ। ओ ये देख,
चल यार मानसी, बहुत भूख लग रही है, कुछ खाने का मन कर
तो
रहा
यहाँ
है।
पीछे बहुत अच्छे समोसे और नूडल्स मिलते हैं, वो खाएगी?
ये एंटी क्लब पे?
हाँ,
चल देखते हैं। अभी हम एंटी क्लॉकवाइज गए थे, वहाँ पे तुमने चाट पकौड़ी वगैरह खा लिए। अब अगर तुम्हें इंडियन खाने का मन है तो अपन चले जाएंगे मेस में। अब अगर इंडियन से पेट नहीं भरा है तो साउथ इंडियन खाने का मन है तो यहाँ पे क्लॉकवाइज भी है। ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट, यहाँ पर कॉन्टिनेंटल मतलब पास्ता, पिज्जा, लजानिया सब कुछ मिल जाता है। एंड फॉर दैट यू कैन गो टू कंटेनर।
कैंपस हम लोगों ने ऑलमोस्ट देख लिया है, कितना सुंदर है। एंड अभी लंच टाइम हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे कैफेटेरिया की भीड़ भी आप लोग देख सकते हैं। ओके, सो आई फाउंड फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स। हाय गाइस, तो मेरे पास कुछ क्विक क्वेश्चंस है आप लोगों के लिए। सबसे पहले जब तुमने लॉ करने का सोचा था, क्या करने आए, क्या तुम्हें पता था एकेडमिक इतना डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है या टफ है कंपैरेटिवली?
I mean, we all know law is a very complicated and nuanced subject, so difficulty तो लग ही रहा था कि starting से होगी, but KU UWSL was really great. The faculties are very approachable, so they made easy for us to contact them. They made easy for us to understand difficult subjects and topics, so that was a really good thing. Yes.
ठीक है, तो अकेड्स इज जस्ट वन पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी। इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है। तो एज अ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट डू यू गाइस फील, हाउ आर यू एडिंग अप टू द कॉलेज, या आपकी तरफ से कुछ एनीथिंग दैट यू गाइस हैव टू से?
I mean, I personally feel that the approach of our university is very holistic. I mean, apart from academics, there are a lot of events, extracurriculars, like there is mooting, debate competitions. There are multiple research centers and committees as well who have their own individual flagship events as well. So that's a really good thing.
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
लॉ स्कूल आए और लाइब्रेरी नहीं देखी तो फिर क्या मतलब है। लेट्स सी द कर्नावती यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइब्रेरी। मानसी, मुझे कुछ सामान लेना है तो शाम को मार्केट चलोगी?
पर बाहर जाना क्यों है?
यार थोड़े से चीजें लगती है ना यार।
बट यहाँ सब तो मिलता है।
ओ, तो यहाँ पे स्टेशनरी, प्रिंट, एसेंशियल सब कुछ मिल जाएगा।
हाँ।
क्या? चल देखते हैं।
यहाँ पे कैंपस के अंदर ही ये फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल है कि आपकी जो भी स्टेशनरी नीड्स हैं या आपकी प्रिंटिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, वो आप यहीं आके फुलफिल कर सकते हैं। प्लस सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज उन हॉस्टल लिविंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कि उनको जो भी डेली के छोटे मोटे आइटम्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है वो भी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। आई थिंक भक्ति मैम भी यहाँ पे कुछ ढूंढ रही हैं।
गुड टू गो। सो ये है इनका मूड कोर्ट जहाँ पे ये रेगुलरली मूड कोर्ट्स वगैरह ऑर्गेनाइज करवाते हैं. हाय,
Hello,
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Diksha.
ओके, हाय दीक्षा. सो ये आपका मूड कोर्ट एरिया है.
Yeah, this is our moot court room.
ओके, एंड यहाँ पे आप लोग कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज, कैन यू टेल समथिंग अबाउट इट?
Right. So the thing about moot court society is कि when you're in your first year आपको पता नहीं होता है कुछ, right? Especially for people जो non-legal background से हैं. So when I first got enrolled, I got to know that there's moot court society and it hosts competitions and you can go to other societies to take part in these competitions. तो that's when I was like अगर 5 साल बाद करना ही है तो अभी से ही let's start it, right? So yeah, I've been a part since first year of the Moot Court Society, the Karnavati University Moot Court Society, and we have hosted a lot of competitions. We've hosted an international Moot Court competition. We also hosted a national client counseling competition. Then the 37th Bar Council Moot Court competition, one of the most prestigious ones in the country. The Bar Council was the host and we have collaborated with them and hosted it. We had some of the sitting judges of the Supreme Court as our guests. Then there were partners from tier 1 law firms also. Yeah, and
So you kind of host both in national and international level events.
yes.
So how is the experience over here?
The experience is good. For example, now I've been taking part in different moot court competitions too. So it's not that we just host it. Our students are also taking part in competitions outside. They are winning. For example, one of our teams won in the moot court competition held by Christ Lavasa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have long recognized that there's a gap, learning gap between what the traditional legal curriculum offers and what industry demands. So our law school clearly focuses on 3 things.
Okay.
One is collaboration, one is exposure, and the other thing is student support.
ठीक है.
Coming to the student support, we have different programs. So for example, we have peer tutorship program. We have mentor-mentee sessions where we prepare students for CLAT, PG and judiciary. So all these things we do for our students. So especially in mentor-mentee programs, so each faculty has been allotted 10 to 15 students. And throughout 5 years, that faculty will mentor all these students. And this mentoring includes assistance, any kind of assistance, academic hai, personal hai. They might
formal
need
and informal,
Yes,
both
formal
ways.
and informal.
Okay.
Every day, every semester, we have this one meeting. But students are free to approach their mentor anytime.
Okay.
So this is one of the support.
So one of like a sort of guardian for the kids through the entire
of course.
5 years.
Because you know, we also understand that when students come, some students are very afraid of coming to a law school. Some students are very anxious. So we have understood these things, and we also understand that faculties always cannot be there every time.
They're not that approachable, obviously.
So they also
Right.
need to have certain connection with the seniors also. So we have peer tutorship program
Okay.
where our seniors guides their juniors. So for example, we have specific, if there are specific subjects in which students think is difficult and they are not willing to approach teachers
Faculty
because they might have
directly.
approached
Right.
several times but they are not getting it. So we have peer tutorship program where students can directly approach their seniors and they can officially take their classes as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
and moreover, for example, there are different competitions. So there are moot court competitions, debate competitions.
Right.
So for each competition, when we send a team, we also appoint a student advisor.
Okay.
So that student simultaneously helps that team also. So this sort of we have created this atmosphere so that
तो
students
आपने एक इकोसिस्टम ही पूरा बच्चों के लिए बना
yes, we
दिया
have
है.
created this ecosystem where
Right.
faculty is also helping, seniors are also helping. तो एक holistic environment बच्चे को मिलेगा.
So the kid would not feel alone when they come to a university, even if they are far away from their home.
Yes, of course. And
Right.
we also understand that not many of the students are from legal background. तो जब वो आता है तो they might think कि what will happen because I do not have a legal background.
Right.
What will I do? Who will guide me? So for that, as I said, that we collaborate. For what? Exposure के लिए.
Right.
So वो collaborations include, so we have collaborated with, we aggressively collaborate with national and international institutions. So if I had to name a few, I would say that we had collaborated with IUCN. So we hosted India's first pre-colloquium in India, that is with International Union for Conservation of Nature in 2024.
Okay.
Then later we had this National Moot Court competition that was 37th Bar Council of India National Moot Court competition, which is widely considered as the largest moot court competition in the country.
Yes.
And when we realized that there is a shift from normal litigation to alternative dispute resolutions, we also had this national mediation competition which we organized under the guidance of Gujarat High Court Mediation Center.
Okay.
We also organized international moot court competition where we had teams from different countries that we had done under the guidance of State Human Rights Commission. So all these programs are done for the benefit of students. So
And
these
these are national level programs.
Yes, these are national
Right.
level programs. So and all these things are curated to provide that holistic atmosphere. And I'm very happy to share that this year also we are having a national level moot court competition. We are having it with Guj Coast, that is
Okay.
Gujarat Council for Science and Technology. So I think these all things we cater to the needs of the students in this way.
So you're helping the kids at international as well as national level and giving the holistic approach
Yes.
in all stratas of the society.
Yes. And you see, we have our alumni base, for example, I'll say. So our alumni are judges, our alumni is in top tier law firms, our alumni are there in foreign also they are there,
Right.
they have studied. So some are attorney, crown attorneys in Canada. So foreign LLM karna hai, so we have a specific alumni committee. They guide our students in such a way, so if they want to apply for foreign LLMs, they are there. So if they want litigation, so placements भी litigation में हो रहा है. Litigation, so for example, when we organize moot court competitions, we call advocates from उनके chambers से लोग आते हैं. We call advocates, we call top tier partners, we call people from corporate. So as you said that in our academic board also, we have people from Adani. So all these things, when they come here,
Right.
we are able to cater the needs accordingly.
ओके सो मतलब बच्चा जहाँ भी जा रहा है, भले वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे अगर इंटरनेशनल एलएलएम वगैरह करने जाए या फिर वो इंडिया में ही कहीं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है, कुछ भी कर रहा है, आप हर जगह उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए खड़े हुए हैं.
Yes. So if
Right.
they want to enter into litigation, we have litigation ka. So you might have when interacting with students, you might have learned about legal aid.
Yes, sir.
Grassroots
Yes,
level
yes.
पे क्या चल
Yes,
रहा है,
sir.
KCIL क्या चल रहा है.
Yes,
We are
sir.
helping them with the
Yes.
litigation. You need judiciary, so for higher studies, if they want to do it in India, they will have to appear for CLAT PG. Judiciary. So we are preparing our students for CLAT PG and judiciary as well. If they want to enter into tier 1 law firms, we are organizing competition. We are bringing them because they cannot approach the law firms, but we
Obviously,
are calling
yes.
people from
You're
law
just
firms.
helping them to
helping them
Yes,
to connect.
that-
So
right.
overall, I think this is this
The
gives
best
us-
part about the university,
Yeah.
of course, that you're like nurturing the kids for the future.
Yeah,
Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
So ma'am, I have few questions for you. सबसे पहले तो does the university has any internship and placement cell committee?
So we have a designated internship and placement committee at UWSL, Karnavati University, that specifically takes care of the needs of each and every student from the first year till the 5th year. And we take care of all the needs for internship and we train them for the placement at the end of 5th year.
But students के skill sets अलग अलग होते हैं, interest अलग अलग होते हैं. So do you keep all those things in mind while
They start enrolling in DLSAs and they do their internship there. So it becomes very important for the students to understand their skill sets from the very beginning of their law journey.
तो कोई स्पेसिफिक प्रोसेस होता है या फिर कितनी इंटर्नशिप होती है एक ईयर में जो स्टूडेंट को करनी होती है?
We have one mandatory internship at the end of every semester. So
Okay.
at the end of 5 years, they have 10 mandatory internships. Now what we do is we roll out an interest form for each and every student based on their preferences. We select and we identify certain law firms, there'll be NGOs, litigation, civil litigation. So they can choose according to their area of interest as to where they want us to help them with getting their internship. 100% assistance is provided to each and every student from the first year till the 5th year. So based on their areas of interest, we help them get the best internship that they can go and apply for.
मैम इंटर्नशिप तो आधा पार्ट हो गया, अब स्टूडेंट्स उस चीज़ को यूटिलाइज कैसे कर रहे हैं? उनने अच्छे से अपनी इंटर्नशिप किया या नहीं किया? इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट यू डू टू टेस्ट दैट?
Yes. So once they are back from their internship break, which is for 1 month,
Great.
so every student is evaluated so that we can ensure that no student has just wasted their time during the internship and every student has received some quantifiable outcome at the end of every internship.
That's a
So
great thing.
like I wanted to mention another thing, that we have a lot of students who intern at top tier law firms also. We have students interning at Amarchand Mangaldas, Tri Legal in Bombay, DSK Legal. They also do their internships, like I said, in DLSA. Which again helps them if they want to do something in the legal aid field. So we help students in attaining the best potential that they have.
तो स्टूडेंट्स जब कॉलेज ज्वाइन करते हैं उनका प्राइमरी कंसर्न इंटर्नशिप्स और प्लेसमेंट्स को लेकर होता है, तो उसके रिगार्डिंग में तुम्हें कैसा लगता है कॉलेज में कैसे सपोर्ट है टीचर्स की तरफ से?
मैं जब यहाँ पहली बार आया तो मेरा भी यही कंसर्न था, बट यहाँ आके मुझे पता पड़ा कि हमारे पास एक डेडिकेटेड इंटर्नशिप एंड प्लेसमेंट सेल है जो स्टूडेंट्स से बनी है, टीचर्स से बनी है, हमारे पास्ड आउट एलुमनाइज से बनी है, तो वो काफ़ी हेल्प करते हैं आपकी। अगर आपको कहीं इंटर्नशिप चाहिए तो वहाँ पे वो खुद भी अप्रोच करवाते हैं।
I just mentioned, so our students particularly, we have Karnavati University basically has adopted 2 nearby villages, one is Oversad and one is Pundrasan. So our students visit these villages every week and they try to understand the problem that people are facing in these villages. No, it's not just limited to these 2 villages, but we visit these villages every week. But apart from that also, they visit a lot of villages in nearby areas. And there are a lot of student-run programs that we are doing as well. So one of the examples that I can give to you is Nirbhaya Brigade program that we have been doing in the past 1 year. So what we have been doing is we have been going to a lot of schools, the schools in district Gandhinagar, and over there we have been making a Nirbhaya Brigade, which is a group of school students which are helping other students to understand the laws of POCSO schools. We make this Nirbhaya Brigade. We make these group of 10-12 students aware about their rights, specifically in relation to sexual offences that are happening against children, right? So this is one of the really good things that students have done. Apart from that, our students have contributed a lot to the Legal Aid Clinic. One example of that is that we have recently been awarded.
Hi Preeti ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, today while talking to a lot of students, I kept hearing this one term again and again, KCEIL, and of course I was not aware about it, and I'm sure a lot of other people who might be watching these videos might also not be aware about it. So I would want you to tell us something about it. How does it work?
So KCEIL stands for the Karnavati Center for Experiential and Immersive Learning.
Okay.
And I think Karnavati University is the only university which has a full-fledged center that looks into everything which is experiential and immersive. Aksar in all my academic experience, immersion and experiential is a one module. के ले गए उनको गाँव में डाल दिया, etc. But here we want to make sure that there is empathy, love, respect. So what we do is, for example, we make sure that they are aware of, say, the denotified tribes here, for whom Gujarat is a dry state, for whom brewing alcohol is not illegal.
Okay.
So how do you work and understand a community, right? And therefore, are they only bootleggers? Are they only the ones who get into criminal work? So the idea is we take our students and make them stay there for a week.
Okay.
So it's not just आप उसको document कर रहे हो. You understand who is making the alcohol. Why are they doing it? For many, brewing alcohol is also religious. हम कई जगह पे we give, I'm just giving you an example, the same way. Now what really happens, I have been a crime reporter for 22 years.
Okay.
So what happens is, as a crime reporter, I have realized whenever I have covered courts, that there is a lack of respect for any kind of crime. India continues to have crime against women. Gang rape, some of the biggest cases have always been brutal. What happens if we can contribute to maybe a little bit of change in the legal terminology?
Okay.
Right? Even today, India officially does not understand marital rape. So how do you get at least lawyers or upcoming people who want to work in the firm to understand and have a take on it? It's very essential. So therefore, there is empathy, there is respect. Other than that, we also do fun things like making sure we expose them to theatre. We want all the Norasas and the 5 senses to be very, very active, because the generation today is only busy with Instagram and scrolling. The attention span is becoming lesser by the day.
Students at this time to study artificial intelligence with respect to law.
So see, law has been changing at a very fast pace, but none of the change has been as profound as that of artificial intelligence. So at this unprecedented range of the legal landscape, today a great lawyer not only requires the knowledge of law, but also requires to master the technology behind its reshape. Doing that at Karnavati University, we have made a conscious choice where we are not only watching this transformation. So अभी प्रियांशी मैम ने हमको बताया कि AI क्या है, क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है बच्चों के लिए और हमारे करिकुलम में है, बट हु बेटर देन किड्स टू टेल अस कि एक्चुअली उनको कितना बेनिफिशियल लग रहा है बीइंग इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी एंड लर्निंग अबाउट AI.
Since first year, like I am a second year student, so first year se we are having a subject AI, and today we have completed our contract law subject, so we are doing drafting on contract law using AI.
Okay.
तो उसी चीज़ की वजह से हम लोग को इतना नॉलेज मिल रहा है, जैसे कि AI is everything.
मतलब आपको ड्राफ्टिंग में, मूड कोर्ट्स में,
Yes.
और अगर आप कोर्ट भी जाते हो तो उसमें भी केस लॉज निकालने के लिए ऑफ कोर्स उसकी हेल्प तो लगेगी.
Yes.
हाय शैली, सो अभी हमने आपकी बाकी फैकल्टीज़ वगैरह से बात की एंड देव टोल्ड अस अबाउट द मल्टीपल सेल्स एंड प्लेसमेंट सेल है, लीगल एड सेल है, बट आई वुड वांट टू नो फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दैट व्हाई डू यू थिंक कि द स्टूडेंट शुड कम टू कर्नावती यूनिवर्सिटी?
I feel Karnavati University not only focuses on education, कि academics ही सब कुछ नहीं है, we also have extracurricular activities. Like as you can see, we have a big screen here. This is our amphitheater, and यहाँ पे we have movie nights, dance performances, cultural nights, so much going on. And we also have Garba nights, like 4-5 दिन particularly नवरात्रि के लिए जाते हैं.
गुजरात आए और गरबा नहीं किया.
Exactly, it's a no-go. So we have all Garba and all great things planned for students. I myself am a part of the Sports and Cultural Committee of UWSL, which is Samskriti. तो Samskriti भी काफी सारे events plan करती है, such as TAS and Food-e-Alam. Food-e-Alam is all basically about food, good food stalls.
The name itself says.
Yeah, and then TAS is all about sports competitions in cricket, football, basketball, अलग-अलग sports. We also have dance competitions, ramp walk, बहुत कुछ होता है.
So every strata you cater to it.
Yeah, exactly, definitely. And then other than that, we also, you know, give out youth parliaments, जो हमारे कॉलेज में होता है, जहाँ पे Miss Kiran Bedi ma'am and also Salman Khushi sir has been here.
Okay.
Which also gives an exposure to the outside real world, not just कि sports, extracurricular, studying, academics. उसके बाहर भी एक दुनिया है, तो उसके लिए भी we have people on board with.
So basically it's an amalgamation of your studies and the law, obviously, which is very, very important.
Yes.
But with that also you have co-curricular, so that it's the overall development of the student majorly.
Yes.
And how does it feel for you to be in this university?
It feels great because, you know, when I entered, I really wanted to be the part of Samskriti. तो मैं कुछ ढूंढ रही थी. And then I spoke to the president, I gave my interview, and then I was in, and that made me so happy कि I am in the committee. And it feels so great to see people happy outside the all library books and just education completely. उसके बाहर भी, you know, they get to see that our college organizes this stuff. So it's a great, you know, relief from just books and law.
Okay.
We are now sitting with the Dean of Karnavati University, Professor Dr. P. Lakshmi ma'am. Hi ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, we visited the entire campus today, got a chance to talk to the faculties as well as to the students, got wonderful insights about the curriculum, what all extracurricular, curricular activities you're offering. So now I want to ask you, what is that one thing, that USP that you think is of Karnavati University?
Now, if I have to talk about what is special about our law school, generally what the students say is that what they studied in the classroom is much different from what actually the industry needs. So how do we try to achieve that? How do we try to reduce the gap between what is taught in the classroom and what the industry needs? Is that we focus mainly on two things. One is curriculum and another one is the industry connect. Now coming to this curriculum, in our law school, almost every year the syllabus is completely revised so that the students need not study what is not relevant to them, what is redundant. So always it is the contemporary thing, what is required in the industry, that is what they study. And how do we know that what is needed by the industry? So we are very fortunate to have an academic advisory board. We have eminent people in the academic advisory board who are the leading people in the legal profession. We have Mr. Asim Pandya, who is a senior advocate with the Gujarat High Court. We have Justice Shah, who is a former judge of the Gujarat High Court. We have Jatin Jaliwala, who is the vice president legal at Adani Group. And we have Sunil Shukla, who is the director at EDI. So there is a galaxy of people who are there in our academic advisory board and who constantly advises us, who tells us. One is through a strong internship program. You might have learnt it from our students and the faculty program, like how structured is the internship program. Again, this internship program has two advantages. One is that we are able to establish a good industry connection. Second thing is that repeatedly I said it's a structured internship program. First 2 years the students cannot decide where they have to do. Only the internship committee will decide where they have to intern. So there is a protocol there. First you have to intern with some NGOs, then graduate to the district courts. Only from the third year they have the freedom to choose where they have to intern. So why we have this system is that when they join a law course, they have seen several TV serials like, this Code, Boston Legal. They come with all dreams like I'm going to be in a law firm or I'm going to practice in the criminal courts. Like this, they come with several ideas. But once when they come, join, study, they go for internship, then they understand whether that is suitable for them or not. We have a student who says that I will go into practice. Once he visits the courts, maybe he understands that is not my cup of tea. So internship makes them to understand themselves, what they are skilled at and what is their liking. So in that way, internship, we are very particular about the internship. It establishes a good industry connection also. The second way in which we establish the industry connection is our moot court competitions. Our moot court competitions are grand moot court competition which is conducted every semester. We also hosted the Bar Council Moot where more than 70 teams from all over India participated. We don't consider it only as a competition. So what happens in that competition is that from different law firms, partner level, senior partners, associates, so we involve all of them in these moot court competitions as judges. So once they come here as judges, so our students cannot go to different law firms and meet them, but we bring all of them to our campus. So they stay here for 3 days judging the various rounds of the moot court competition, and our students get an opportunity to interact with them, build a rapport with them, build a connection with them. So that is how we create this connection between the students and the industry. Along with academics, we are also very much concentrated or focused on developing the life skills of the students. Because after 5 years, when you go and work in the real world, you have to face the reality. So you have to work with people whom you don't know. You have to be a team player with a person whom you may not like.